completely renovated, this 3-bedroom home sits on massive 620 square meter block.
Hop, skip and a jump to Robert Townsend High and granny flat potential. This one will tick all your boxes. Let's take you through. Stunning new kitchen with granite benchtop, gas cooking, brand new bathrooms, floorboards throughout, downlights, paint. This one has all the bells and whistles.
Massive entertainment area, solar panel sitting on the roof will definitely save you heaps on your electricity bills.